There is no such thing as an independent woman because there's no such thing as an independent man. And what we must realize is that most of us live in a civilization in urban or suburban areas where we have our electricity and water directly brought to our house. We have food that is sourced and then locally delivered to our grocery stores. And we need to realize that none of us are truly independent. Even those who are living off in the wild rely on the sun, water, and the surrounding ecosystems of plants and animals to live off of. And if we really want to be happy and truly live amongst each other in harmony, we must be grateful of these facts and recognize it. Now, for women, what is important to understand is that the occupations that uphold infrastructure are largely dominated by men. But simultaneously, men, what you need to understand is that there are multitudes of women who contribute at extremely high levels in ways that a lot of average men can't. And so we need to stop demonizing males and females and start respecting each other for how we are equal and opposite forces, truly. Let's stop devaluing each other and work to better understand and respect one another because males without females and females without males truly would be a miserable experience for each of us.